Garlic, a staple in kitchens worldwide for centuries, has earned its place not just as a flavor enhancer, but also as a key component in various home remedies. Its versatility knows no bounds, from seasoning dishes to repelling pests, and even fueling superstitions about warding off vampires. Despite its pungent aroma and strong taste, garlic boasts numerous health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. Rich in complex carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, garlic offers a myriad of health perks. Allicin, a sulfur-based compound found in garlic, contributes to its medicinal properties, making it effective in treating infections, metabolic disorders, and respiratory issues. Additionally, garlic's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties promote cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels, regulating blood pressure, and enhancing blood flow, which can also help prevent premature aging. Furthermore, garlic's antimicrobial properties make it a potent germ fighter, capable of combating infections more effectively than some prescribed antibiotics. It also aids in reducing fluid buildup and inflammation in the body's tissues, thereby improving overall bodily functions. One intriguing use of garlic involves placing it under your pillow to improve sleep quality, a long-held family secret passed down through generations. The sulfur compounds and strong aroma of garlic have a calming effect that can aid in achieving restful sleep, particularly for those who struggle with insomnia. While the initial scent may be overpowering, over time, you'll grow accustomed to it, enjoying the benefits of sound sleep without disturbance. Alternatively, you can prepare a natural garlic drink to promote relaxation and sleep. Simply combine crushed garlic with milk and honey, heat until boiling, then let cool before drinking. Consumed around 30 minutes before bedtime, this concoction can further enhance your sleep quality, allowing you to wake up refreshed and rejuvenated for the day ahead. In conclusion, garlic is not only a culinary delight, but also a potent ally for health and well-being. Whether used as a seasoning or incorporated into home remedies, its therapeutic properties make it a valuable addition to your daily routine.